this time.
I'm sorry I couldn't do more.
I wasn't talking about you.
I was.
What did he want?
Me. But I wasn't what he was looking for. Troy knows he's a clone. And he knows that we know. He thinks the universe is his to take it now. He's out there taking it.
Oh, hey, just rest. Please.
You're right. Maybe we could have just let things be. But instead I just made everything worse.
No.
And I'll keep making them worse.
No, I wasn't right. Okay? I was afraid of what would happen. This happening. That doesn't make it your fault. You did what you thought was best for everyone. I just didn't want things to change.
Like Cole being a pain in the butt.
You have no idea. Actually, you would have an idea because you're mean to me all the time.
Yeah, but it's really fun to do.
No,
I recommend it.
This has never been fair, ever.
I'm really sorry about the house.
You did your best.
Yeah, and that's just it. It wasn't enough. And I'm sorry. I just want you to know I tried.
I'll let you sleep, alright? Be back up in no time.
He was